Students, in this video we will be doing class 5 vulgar fraction exercise 11 division part. Now before I go to division, I want to say that in the previous part I have done multiplication sums, and the last sum which I have done was number 16. Now the sum number 16, as you can see, was not so difficult, but the only thing is that the calculation was heavier. And I have ended with the statement that 399 by 7904 is the result, and it's a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator, so we will end up over here. But I checked afterwards and I found that when you get such big numbers, you need to try to divide it with certain numbers whose table you might always not remember. Like table of 17, you might not remember every time. Table of 21, 23, all these numbers. So I suddenly started with division and I found that 19 can divide both the numbers. Now 19 into 21 gives you 399 and 19 into 416 gives you 7904. So both the numbers were divisible by 19. So in the start of the video I wanted to just make this clear that you have to reduce, and the lowest number that you get is 21 by 416, and this will be your answer to question number 16. Now we will start with division. Exercise 11, the division sums are sum number 26 onwards. So the first sum, that is sum number 26, is 3 1 by 4 divided by 13 by 8. So you need to divide this number. Two fractions are given. One is present in mixed fraction and the other is given as improper fraction. So first we will convert this and write in improper fraction. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13 by 4 divided by 13 by 8. Now in division there is one step that will be extra than the multiplication. So in case of fractional division, what you do, the first fraction remains the same and the division sign changes into multiplication sign, and the fraction which is given after the division sign changes into its reciprocal. Reciprocal means opposite. The denominator becomes the numerator now, that is 8 is the denominator, it will become the numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. So only this step is extra in division. After that it is just multiplication which you have done before. So first we have converted the mixed into improper. Here it is already given in improper. Second step, change the division sign into multiplication, and only the fraction which is on the right side or which comes after the division sign will change into its reciprocal. That means just the opposite. 13 by 8 changes to 8 by 13. But nothing happens to the first fraction because you only need to change the fraction that comes after the division sign. Now you simply multiply. Multiply means cancelling. 13 and 13 got cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what you are left out, on top you have only 2 because this is cancelled, means 1 is there only. So 1 into 2 will give you back 2. Down also all the numbers are cancelled. Cancel means you can write 1, you cannot write 1, everything is okay. But 1 into 1 gives you 1. So what is the ultimate answer? 2 by 1 means 2. So the answer will be in whole number. Now just like sum number 26, sum number 27, 324 divided by 18 by 19. So here you can see a whole number is given. How to convert into how to convert into a fraction? Only dividing it with 1. The number changes from whole number and it is written in fractional style. Divided by, you can change it into multiplication sign straight away, and what I told, the fraction that comes next to the division sign will be written as its reciprocal, just the opposite. 18 by 19 now becomes 19 by 18. And now we will do the cancellation part. Now if you know the tables very clearly, then you should know that 18s are 324. So I can directly cancel 18 ones are 18, 18s are 324. But if you don't know the table, you can start with 2, like 2 9s are 18. Divide this number with 2, 162. Then again you can divide 9 and 162. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 72 is left out. Now 9 into what gives you 72? 9 into 8 gives you 72. So 18 you are getting, and down part you have cancelled. Down part you have only 1. So 1 into 1 will give you only 1 in the denominator part. And in the top part, what you have to do? After cancellation, 18 you are getting over here. And in this fraction, the numerator is 19. So multiply the numerators. After cancellation, after bringing them into lowest numbers, you need to multiply. So 18 into 19. It is giving me 342. This is the answer of the 27 sum. It's a whole number. Now we move to the sum number 38. Now why I have chosen sum number 38? Because here 3 mixed fractions are given and you have division sign. So first step is, like we do, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 10 into 8, 80, plus 7, 87 by 8, divided by 5 into 11, 55, plus 3, 58 by 11, divided by 2 into 16, 32, plus 1, 33 by 16. Now, after converting it into improper fraction, we have to now change the division sign. So, the first number remains as it is. Change the division into multiplication sign. So what will happen? The number which comes after the division sign will change into reciprocal. So it will be 11 by 58. Again, you have another division sign. So when you change into multiplication, same thing will happen. The number next to the division sign will change into its reciprocal. So can you see, only the first number remains same as it was given. The second and the third number changes to reciprocal. Why? Because both the number is coming after the division sign. So when we are changing into multiplication, both the number changes to its reciprocal. Now we will try to divide it. Now 11 3s are 33. 8 2s are 16. Whatever you can see only by looking, if you can divide, first you complete that. Now 3 and 87. Now in 3's table, how can you understand whether it can be divided or not. Now in 3's table, we will see that whether 3 can divide 87. Check, 87 has the last digit 7. Now you have to find out 3 into what gives you 7 at the end. Now there is one number, that is 3 into 9 gives you 27. 7 in the end. Okay. So 3 into 9 if you do, it gives you 27, and 7 can come in the end in 3's table. So what will you do? You will try out higher numbers of 9. Again I am telling you. First we will check that if 7 is the last digit, whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So in order to check that, I have to multiply with 3 something that gives me 7 at the last digit. So when I multiply 3 to 9, I get 27, and 7 comes as the last digit. But 3 into 9 gives me 27, it does not give me 87. So now I have to try out with 3, I have to multiply with 3 higher numbers that has got 9 at the end. Now higher number having 9 at the end is 19. Now try out 3 with 19. 3 9s are 27, 2, 3 1s are 3. It gives me 57. So 3 into 19 also when I do, I get 7 at the end, but I don't get 87. Now again I have to try with 3 higher unit of higher number that contains 9 at the end. So into 29 I can do. So now if I check, 3 9s are 27, 2, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. So this number now gives me 87. So it is not possible for you to remember the table of 29. And it is also not possible to remember 3's table up to 3 into 30. So this is another method of cross-checking and checking the divisibility. So what I have done, 3 into how much can give me 7 as the end result, last digit. So I have multiplied with 3 9s gives me 27, 7 comes as the last digit. But 3 into 9 gives me very low, I want to get 87. So now I am trying higher numbers that contain 9 as at the end. And why I want to multiply with 3? Because I need to divide with 3 only. So 3 into 19 I tried, 3 into 29. So 3 at the end we found 3 29s are 87. Cancelled. Now 2 and 58 can also be cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 8. So 2 9s are 58. Now 29 and 29. So they both again can be cancelled. So what is left over? The top part all are cancelled, the down part all are cancelled. Now in case of multiplication, when all numbers get cancelled, that means top part has got 1, and the down part, if everything is cancelled in case of multiplication, it means it also has 1 at the end. So 1 into 1 into 1 gives you 1, and 1 by 1 means only 1. So 1 is the answer. In case of addition and subtraction, if everything gets cancelled, you get 0. But always remember, in multiplication or division, when everything gets cancelled, that is giving you 1 as the answer result. All of you should practice till now whatever I have done.